In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a bank account in Xero step by step. Whether you're setting up Xero for the first time or adding an additional business account, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. Adding your bank account correctly is essential so you can reconcile transactions, track cash flow, and keep your bookkeeping accurate. I'll walk you through everything from navigating the dashboard to entering your bank details properly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options like Dashboard, Business, Accounting, and more. Click on Accounting in the top menu. This is where you manage your chart of accounts, reports, and of course, your bank accounts. From the drop-down menu under Accounting, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the Bank Accounts page where you can see any accounts you've already connected or created. If this is your first time setting one up, the page may look mostly empty, and that's completely fine. Now click on the Add Bank Account button. This button is usually clearly visible on the Bank Accounts page. Once you click it, Xero will prompt you to search for your bank. In the search field, type the name of your bank. For example, you might type Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or whichever financial institution you use. As you type, Xero will display a list of matching banks. Select your bank from the list when it appears. Depending on your bank, you may be given different connection options. Some banks allow direct online feeds, which automatically import transactions. Others may require manual setup. For now, we'll focus on entering the account details. Next, you'll be asked to enter your account name. This is the internal name you'll use inside Xero. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Main Business Checking, Savings Account, or Payroll Account. This makes it much easier to identify the account later when reconciling transactions. After that, select your account type. For most standard business accounts, you'll choose something like Everyday or Checking. If it's a savings account, select Savings. Make sure the account type matches the actual type of bank account you're adding, as this affects how transactions are categorized. Now enter your account number. Carefully type in your full account number exactly as provided by your bank. In some cases, Xero may also ask for your routing number, especially if you're setting up bank feeds in certain regions. Double-check these numbers before moving forward to avoid errors. Once all the required fields are filled in, click Continue or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. Xero will now create the bank account inside your organization. After saving, you'll be redirected back to the bank accounts page, and you should now see your newly added bank account listed there. From here, you can set up bank feeds if available, import transactions manually, or begin reconciling payments and expenses. As a quick tip, after adding your bank account, it's a good idea to confirm the opening balance. Make sure the starting balance in Xero matches your real bank balance as of your chosen start date. This ensures your financial reports stay accurate from day one. And that's it. You've successfully added a bank account in Xero. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to go and what details to enter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Xero tutorials designed to make accounting easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.